Recalling case number 23348137. This is William Hunter versus Caprice Bogan. Yanni Hunter and all occupants. Would the parties please identify themselves to the record?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Our U.S. Supreme on behalf of William Hunter.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Serafini, P8659 on behalf of Mr. Caprice Bogan, Mr. John Hunter, who are both present in court today. Parties reached a consent judgment where Mr. Bogan and Mr. Caprice, Mr. Bogan and Mr. Hunter will vacate the property and not cause any damage no later than July 20th, 2026.
All right, and Attorney Woods and Attorney Taraki, and I see that both of you have signed off on this consent judgment for this case. Attorney Woods, is this your signature? I see the bottom.
Yes, sir.
All right, Attorney Taraki, is that your signature? I see the bottom.
Yes, Judge, and the court, please inform plaintiff to stop making verbal threats to me and my clients.
All right, let me be clear to all parties. I know this is a family affair. For the next couple of weeks, I don't want to hear of any issues between the parties. You've heard me say this with other people. I will say this as well. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to find out there's been confrontation, physical confrontation, verbal confrontation. Got a number of weeks, Ms. Bogans and Mr. Hunter, within which your stuff to move out. I want there to be a peaceful transition. Mr. William Hunter, I expect the same thing. Sir, I stand here. I take pride in my career. You know me since I first became a lawyer. I don't think I have any bias. I think you've had dealings for a while, so I don't have any bias on either side here. I don't have this type of relationship. I'm fair to everyone that you've seen. Hunter, I'm going to come forward and ask you and demand you make sure that there are no other issues, more side comments to counsel. I know Attorney Woods has worked very hard in this case. I know Attorney Taraki has worked very hard. I don't want to hear about any comments to anyone else as the parties leave here today. What has been resolved for this case has been resolved. No damage to any property, nothing missing, no items like that, nothing else. Because I will warn all of you. You've been here, I think this is the third or fourth time you've been here on this case. Each time we've been kind of building to a confrontation. I'm letting all of you know. If we have a confrontation, you will come back before me and someone will pay a price for it. I say that not because I want to threaten, I say that because I demand order. Family, I know this is different. I'm taking my time to say this because you've been before me. I don't want that to happen. So I'm letting you know. Mr. Hunter, no more comments. Leave it alone. This case is resolved as of today. Mr. Hunter, Ms. Bowles, let there be nothing else between the parties today. Just a smooth transition. That is part of my order for today. Smooth transition. Any confrontation, if you come back, your lawyers won't have to worry. It'll be the three of you. So with that, we've concluded. Unless the parties have anything else they want to add for today. Ms. Bogus, and unless it's a question for how to proceed, I don't want to hear about anything that happened in the past, anything like that, anything in the hallway. Unless you've got a question about what should be done going forward. What's the question?
I just want to know, can I get a key for the remainder of the time I'm here? So I don't have to keep leaving the door open for my things to get stolen. Like, that's all right. And he can get his key back.
Hold on, Mr. Hunter. You have an attorney, sir. I know you know that Ms. Woods is doing a great job. She can speak for you. Attorney Woods.
Your Honor, they keep talking about this key. I'm a little, it doesn't make any sense, Your Honor, because they've been coming and going from that place ever since Mr. Hunter filed this action in April. So they've been coming and going May, all of June. I don't know what this issue is about some key, but all I know is that they have had full access to the place. They will continue to have it until they're out, just as they've been.
Let me get an understanding. How are you coming and going now?
Now, since he came
Dr. Watkins, you have to leave the door. I did say that the last time I was here at 8:40.
It was in the order that there would be a key provided, but because we wanted to resolve this, I thought perhaps it could be resolved informally. We didn't want to have to place this on the record.
Well,
Okay.
Your Honor, the law,
Hold on, everyone. I understand that you were hearing the testimony you took before, is that the locks have been changed. I thought I remembered hearing it. Okay, now, what I'm hearing now is that they have to leave a door open. That's not safe for the items there. That's not safe for the premises, the unit itself, Mr. Hunter. If they have a key, hold on. If they have a key, if the thought is that they have one and maybe how they're getting back and forth, at this point, I'm not sure what it's gonna do to give them a key to make sure they can get back and forth right now. Is there a problem with that?
Your Honor, she lost all 3 keys to the building way back in December.
Okay, Mr. Hunter, we're not revisiting before. What I'm talking about is right now. I know you changed the locks, right? The locks have been changed. What I heard before was that the locks have been changed. Am I right?
Your Honor,
Am I right?
Your Honor, the keys, I had to get keys to change the lock for me too. Because,
Yeah, Mr. Hunter, we're not gonna revisit that. Ms. Bogans? How much did it cost for the key? How much did it cost?
almost $100 because of the three. It was the fob, the mailbox, and the carpet. And they put it on his rent.
Ms. Bogans and Mr. Hunter, are you able to pay for a key? Until such time, this is what I'm gonna order right now. Put up $100, that'll be held in escrow until such time as you turn the key back in. Provide $100. Mr. Hunter, hold on. Provide $100 to be held as a deposit for the key. That $100 can be returned to you upon such time when you move out and turn the keys back into Mr. Hunter. So as to $100, you can put that in the court's escrow. So that'll take care of the issue of the key. How soon can you put up the $100 for the key?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, ma'am.
I don't want the key, I'm just going to.
You don't want the key?
No.
Right, so before we go on and have another time, what you've told me is that you're leaving the door open.
Right.
Well, no, let me finish. What I don't want is in between now and when you move out, for someone to say that something's been stolen, something's broken, something's damaged, because you had to leave the door open. That I'm not gonna go for. You brought the issue up. I've now made a way for that situation to be rectified. I'm not sure what your money situation is. I haven't heard anything about money since we've had all this testimony, all these hearings. I've never heard that. So what I put out today was a way to get around that. You get a key, that's $100 that you put up now, you'll get it back.
Well,
Judge,
No, you know, we're not gonna go back and forth. I've spent enough time with this. Unless there's another issue that you have, we're over the key. Is there something else that needs to be dealt with? Mr. Hunter? Unless it's something specifically dealing with this unit and making sure there's a
that
smooth
is
transition.
something specific. They have nothing in there but a love seat and a sofa that allow them to bring onto the place
Mr.
as
Hunter?
caregivers.
Mr. Hunter, we're not revisiting the entire case. Right now,
You don't want me-
as far as the key is concerned, the $100 for the key, you use the court as escrow for that. That money can be returned when you get the key back. So for now, they give you that, give them a copy of that key so that they have access, so that obviously, I don't know how much they have to move, That will take care of that situation. Tell me what sounds like you have a question.
They get the key when they put the money in the escrow account.
Next.
Okay. Understood.
Now, let me be clear, that's not optional. I want that done because I will not have in a month, Your Honor, someone stole that stuff, it's not our fault. Your Honor, someone damaged the property, it's not our fault. I will not have that. So I'm letting you know now, this is not optional. That $100, I don't know how quickly you can get it, that is to be paid, and it's reports escrow. You will provide the key, Mr. Hunter. That money goes into the escrow, you will provide the key to them swiftly.
I will get the key to.
Matter of fact, why don't you do with Attorney Woods rather than dealing with Mr. Hunter? That may kind of take some of the emotion out of it. So Mr. Hunter, you can provide a copy of the key in the past to your attorney. They can deal with her so that the family, I can tell. I don't want any issues. I don't want any confrontations. That's the way to get around that.
That's fine. And since Ms. Council was saying she can't get involved in that, I will deal with them getting their key. And then they can give the key back.
That's fine. Hey, Rakim, can you draft that? with the
I'm
word
grabbing it right now, yes, Judge, sorry, Lake Shore doesn't, we
It's
can't keep two for so
Your
long.
Honor, they are gaming the court. Would you let me talk for me?
Mr. Hunter, stop.
Mr. Hunter,
Stop this.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Hunter,
Yes, sir.
I've given you a lot of leeway because I know you. I've given you a lot of leeway because you've earned it over your years through your profession.
Appreciate it, John.
So please, don't press it anymore. We are done for today. Turning to Rakim, I'll wait for that order. Attorney Woods, I'll let you, of course, you probably want to take a look at it, but as for now, this case should be resolved. I don't want to see the parties back on this, because if they do come back open for confrontation, trust me, as sure as I am standing here today, it will not be pleasant. I'm done. Thank you.
Sorry.